Hey, boo, watch me install this wig the lazy way, child. Now, this wig is from SHEIN, and I've seen it on multiple websites, so I'm going to have multiple links. Girl, when I first took it out the packaging, it was giving bird's nest. Did you see it? It does have 3 to 4 combs and a band for extra security. It was also giving synthetic wig. The ones that we done wore too long and finally took it off and threw it across the room, we all done been there before, child. Now, the cut of the lace did not match my skin, so I had to add some lace tint to it. For whatever reason, this wig was giving me a hard time to flip it inside out. If all my life I had to fight was a person, that would have been me. Now, I told y'all this was a lazy install. I ain't even want to go get the damn blow dry. Look at me, trying to assist with the drying process. Just fanning it, blowing it. Oh, Lord. I ain't gonna lie, though. Eventually, I did have to go get the damn dry. You see the scalp look a little bit more believable now, huh? I'm giving, I try to say goodbye and I choke. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Makes it gray. Okay. Girl, not the bang. I could have sworn I done seen one of y'all had that style before in the 90s now. Most people prefer to adhere the wig down first, then remove the lace. I do it whichever way I feel that day. Plus, this is a glueless install. I'm planning on taking the wig right off after I finish doing some recording, though. I personally prefer not to have the baby hairs connected with my eyebrows, so I cut them down a lot. But if you into that look, child, there's plenty. And I ain't gonna lie, the baby hairs was actually giving me a hard time, a run for my money, to slick them down. But I finally made it. Won't he do it? I know I said that this was a glueless install, but to make it a little bit more believable, I had to add that E-band. Or E-band, whatever it's called. I heard they canceled, child. So use whatever spray you use to lay your wigs down. This the part where I was on a little struggle bush, child. I decided to cut that little piece off in the front. I don't know, it just made it look a little bit more believable. Because I wasn't going for the thirsty bush look, I added some products. Yup. Some conditioner, some oils, anything that'll prevent it from looking like a little desert. I ain't gonna lie, I damn near had to use up all the products I had out of my bathroom cabinet. But eventually the look came together. Not so bad. It's very much giving natural. I ain't gonna lie, I think it's the perfect wig for the summer. It's too hot to have all that hair on my neck. I do wish it gave me a tad bit more inches, but here is the final look. Let me know if you'll rock this wig as well for the summertime. Come in them comments and hype me up.